Hey guys, this is Dave from Escape Creative, and I want to briefly show you the new Widget Areas for LearnDash plugin that I've just developed and show you how it works and how you can use it. So once you've activated the plugin, you can see that there are 6 new available widget areas that are all specific to LearnDash. So I came over here to Appearance and Widgets, and this will show you all 6 of the widget areas displayed here. So there are 4 in the focus mode, and then there are 2 on the course page, which will be displayed on all course pages. So for focus mode in the sidebar, we've got one for before the navigation, and then one at the very end of the navigation. Then we have 2 more in the content area. So one will be at the start of the content, so at the very, very top of the page on focus mode. The other one is below the content, so I'll show you where this one appears in just a second. And then on the course page, one at the very beginning of your course content, and then one at the very end of your course content. So these work just like any other widget area that you might have on your site that your theme provides. It may have a sidebar or some footer widget areas. These work the same way. You can open them up, and then any widget that you have over here on the left-hand side that's in your available widgets, you can drag and drop it over into the widget area that you want to display it. You'll see here for the before navigation in the focus mode, I chose to put a course progress bar widget in there. This is a widget that's provided by LearnDash, so when you install the LearnDash plugin, this is one of the widgets that it makes available, and it's just a course progress bar. So you can add that to your sidebar navigation area at the very top if you'd like. And then for a lot of these other ones, I've just added a text widget in here. And with the text widget, you can do a lot of different things. Adjust some of the styling here, create lists, you can add links. Also, shortcodes are available for you to use in a text widget. So you can use LearnDash's student and visitor shortcodes in this area. So if you just want to display something to only the students that are enrolled in that course, or something different maybe to the visitors who are not enrolled yet, you could do that by using those shortcodes right here in a text widget. So those work as well. Any other shortcode that you might have from a page builder plugin, or any other plugin that you're using maybe for membership, all of those shortcodes should work just fine here in these text widgets too. So you can get really creative depending on your setup with the use of shortcodes in a text widget, and then drop it into the widget area that you want to place it in. There's one other way that you can add widgets to the widget area, and that's in the Customizer. So I want to jump over and just show you that now. So I could also come over here to the sidebar and do Appearance and Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, and you can access all of your widget areas in there as well. The advantage to doing this is that you'll actually get a live preview if you're on one of the pages where those widget areas are displayed. So I'm going to go to a lesson page here on my site, and you'll see it shows here on the right hand side. And now if I click on widgets on the left hand column, you'll see all the same 6 widgets that are plugin, the widget areas that our plugin adds are here on the left hand side. And so you can open up any one of these, and then you'll see I've got a course progress bar here, but I can also choose to add another widget and then choose from any of the different widgets that are installed on the site. And then I can add as many as I want into this widget area, and they will all show up here above the navigation in the focus mode sidebar. And the last thing I'll do here is just show you a live version of the site, and I want to show you where specifically on the site each of these 6 different widget areas are going to be displayed. So this is a focus mode page here. This is a lesson that I'm viewing, and I've got the first widget area is in the focus mode sidebar above all the navigation. So I'm using sections, and I've got a section here, but above all of that you'll see that this is the first widget area right here. And then if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, at the very end of all the focus mode navigation stuff, you'll see the second widget area is down here. Then there are 2 more in the content area. The first one is right here at the very top. It'll appear before the page title. So that's right here, this content start for focus mode. And then there's also one below the content. So after all of your lesson content, or if you have any quizzes assigned here, and then directly after your next and previous lesson or topic navigation is where your focus mode below content widget area is displayed. Notice this does show up above any comments that you may have if you're using comments in focus mode. If you're not, then this will be at the very bottom of the page, but if you are, this will show up between the navigation here and the comment section. And there are 2 others that widget areas that are on the course page, so let me jump over to a course page and show you that now. So here I am on a course page, and you'll see this is the course title listed right here. This is going to look different depending on what theme you have installed. So this is very theme specific, but your theme should be outputting a title of some kind on the page that has the name of your course. That's right here, and then you'll see the widget area for the course content start is right here. So it's going to be below the title, but before anything else that shows up. And then the course content end is simply going to be all the way at the bottom after whatever information you've added in as a description, whatever all of your course content will then be listed out in this table. And then at the very bottom below the course content table, you'll have your course content end widget area that you can add content to there. The final thing I'll say is there are a couple of little tricks that we can do. One is by using some page builders and using some short codes and some global widgets, and so I'll do that in a quick separate video. And then the other little trick we can do is using the Widget Options plugin, which gives us a lot of customization options in terms of showing or hiding things on different devices, mobile device versus desktop versus tablet, as well as on an individual course-by-course basis, we can show and hide different widgets. There is a separate free plugin that you'll need to do that, but I will show you how to do that in some separate video tutorials. So I hope you guys really enjoy this plugin. Feel free to leave any comments or questions in the support forum and let me know what you think.